Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the most recent discoveries in the world of fruits, based on research from 2025 and early 2026. While scientists rarely uncover entirely new fruit species, what is happening is just as exciting. New studies are revealing powerful health benefits in fruits we already know, and researchers are developing new varieties with enhanced nutritional qualities. From understudied tropical fruits gaining attention to familiar favorites surprising us with new health effects, these findings are changing how we think about what's on our plate. Let's explore the fruits that science is buzzing about right now. Recently highlighted beneficial fruits, 2025, early 2026. Monk fruit, Luo Han Gua, more health benefits identified, 2026. Recent research shows that monk fruit, used widely as a natural sweetener, contains a rich mix of antioxidants and bioactive compounds beyond its sweetness, including terpenoids and flavonoids that may protect cells from damage and support health. This work expands our understanding of the fruit's biological benefits beyond sugar replacement. Key benefits discussed: high antioxidant content, potential anti-inflammatory effects, possible health support beyond sweetness. Goldenberry, gene-edited and easier to cultivate, 2025. Wild goldenberry, a nutritious berry with a flavor like pineapple and mango, has long been recognized for its nutrient content, but a 2025 CRISPR gene-editing breakthrough produced compact, farmable goldenberry plants. This improvement could make it easier to grow and distribute this beneficial fruit more widely, potentially increasing global supply. Why this matters: better cultivation, wider availability. Nutrient-rich fruit in a more accessible form. Mango, surprisingly beneficial for blood sugar control, 2025. Although mango is traditional rather than newly discovered, 2025 research found that daily mango consumption improved blood sugar control and reduced body fat in prediabetics compared to a lower sugar snack, challenging assumptions about high sugar fruits. Benefits noted: improved blood sugar regulation, body fat reduction versus processed snacks. Whole food sugars behave differently from added sugars. Abayu, Puteria Kaimito, antioxidant and biochemical promise, 2025. Studies from 2025 on abayu, a tropical Amazonian fruit, show it has high antioxidant activity and phenolic content in its peel and pulp with potential bioactive effects, and it's being explored for applications like increased shelf life of other produce. Potential benefits: strong antioxidant profile, phenolic compounds with protective effects, possible uses in food preservation. Other relevant recent fruit science, not new fruits but worth knowing. Even if not new species, several fruits received new revelations about their health effects in 2025. Orange juice and immune gene effects. A late 2025 study showed orange juice may affect thousands of genes in immune cells, including ones linked to inflammation control and blood pressure regulation, highlighting deeper immune-modulating roles for citrus intake. Grapes, rich compound profile. Research in 2025 revealed that fresh grapes contain over 1,600 bioactive compounds benefiting heart, brain, skin, and gut health, supporting their status as a nutrient-dense fruit. Fruit and lung health. A September 2025 summary indicated that eating more fruit could help protect lungs from air pollution damage, especially in women, likely due to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components. Summary: monk fruit, newly studied health compounds, antioxidants and bioactives beyond sweetener. Goldenberry, gene-edited, farmable, better availability of a nutritious fruit. Mango, blood sugar benefits shown, improved glucose control in prediabetics. Abayu, studied for antioxidant potential, high phenolic and antioxidant activity. Oranges or orange juice, gene immune effects, potential inflammation and blood pressure impact. Grapes, broad compound profiling, multi-system health benefits. General fruit intake, lung protection links, antioxidant or anti-inflammatory lung support. Why you rarely hear about totally new fruits. Discovering an entirely new edible fruit species is rare. Botanists find many plant species every year, but few are safe and palatable for human consumption, suitable for cultivation and distribution, nutritionally distinct from existing fruits. Most progress happens through research on known fruits or breeding new varieties, as seen with monk fruit and goldenberry. If you're still watching, I want to give a big thank you for spending this time with me. It's wonderful to have you as part of our community. If this video inspired you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-backed wellness content.